If you have any codes that are to do with security, mobilizer. The easiest way to fix bypass is to have VATS deleted from the tune.
So this is the wiring diagram. Power comes out of the ignition switch through the starter relay. If it's a manual, it doesn't have a neutral start switch, through the computer and then grounded. So, the old starter problem. It'll crank but may not start. Turn the key, 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 turn the key. Might get a fuel gauge issue. This has got over half a tank in it at the moment. You watch the gauge will come to life. No one's putting fuel in, see? So what a lot of people do is the car won't start. They'll just turn the key so they've got ignition and red lights. And then out here you pull out the starter motor relay. There's plenty of videos on this. And if you just bridge these two, she comes alive. So what I've made here is a little pigtail wire. Just a spade terminal cut back and soldered on. And a little, I'll show you in a minute anyway. So what we're going to do is going to put that into there with the relay, because when you turn the key, the ignition switch powers this plug with battery voltage, and this one here, the part of the computer system earths out that terminal there, which pulls the coil, and one of these goes to the starter and the other one is 12 volts from the battery. So I'll show you what happens in a minute. So what I've done here is, rather than having to come and pull the relay out or pull the top off the relay and touch it with your finger, I've got that little spade terminal in there and I've just earthed it out to that nut there on the body, and we're just going to piggyback the relay on top of it. And now when I come inside and I turn the key, she turns over every time. Got no fuel gauge warnings, and fingers crossed she's a goer.